what do you think the main barriers to innovation are for companies that are looking to do a lot of innovation?
So it's that mindset of we've been doing things a certain way, and especially if it's been working reasonably well, why are we changing? What are we doing differently? Um, what is even worse than that is this fear of something being a science project. Many business leaders, when they talk about innovation, and this ties back to what we said earlier, if you're not focusing on the customer outcome, um, and I say that before I say business benefit, right? Because the business benefit follows from whatever customer outcome you're trying to achieve. There's this fear that I'm going to invest in this big bang innovation, and it's going to be a science project. The ROI is going to be negligible, and it's going to be a waste of time and money. I feel like that is based on a misunderstanding of what true innovation really is. And it doesn't have to be a big bang risky bet. Um, Innovation comes in all different shapes and sizes. And we have to sort of get away from this short-term thinking that says, I care about what's happening in the next quarter or two. And so I'm going to stay really focused on that. And I'm going to stay away from these big clunky science project sounding things that might take too long. That's just the wrong way to approach it, and the wrong way to think about it. And I think that's a lot of the stuff that holds people back.
One of the top reasons cited in our FIS Global Innovation Report this year as a barrier to innovation was really about limited budgets and limited in-house talent to be able to go tackle innovation.